Hello everybody, it's Talia and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I decided to film my eyebrow tutorial using only drugstore products. So excited to show you a little tips and idea for beginners. This is what I normally do to my eyebrows and I find it really easy. Excited to show you guys this video, how to do my eyebrows. I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's just get started with the video. So I am up and closed. Hello people. The products that I be using throughout this video is my LA Girl Pro Concealer to carve my brows. I'll be using my e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. This one is the shade Neutral Brown. I love this pencil. It's only $5. Get it, it's worth it. It's amazing drugstore brow pencil. You can get this at Ulta, Target, Walmart, and this one is LA Pro Concealer, which is worth like $2 or $3.99, and I love this. Using is my Innocence Make Me Brow. Love this stuff. It's so good, it's so amazing. Just keep your eyebrows in place. I'm gonna be using some little holes, and then I got this spoolie brush. But yeah, that's all the main things that I'm gonna need throughout this video. What I like to do first is I like to brush my brows upwards. I normally love to do this just because to me, I just want to see where I need to like plug my brows. I'm just gonna cut this piece just because it's like pretty long. Remove the hairs that are long. I'm not gonna go like too extreme, like removing my brows. I think that's all I'm gonna do, like honestly. Oh, got a long piece of hair right here. That got to go. So I'm gonna go with this tool right here to plug my brows, just the main areas where I need to remove my hair. Just remove a little bit here. I didn't do anything from the top, just gonna leave it how it is, but I did just plugged a little bit of brows. Now the fun part, I'm gonna go ahead and start my brows. Go in with my e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. So I like to start from the bottom just because for me that's how I normally start. That's really easy. I have to focus and be careful how underline and overline your brows. Line the bottom. Basically like that. That's how I'm gonna underline the bottom. And then I'm gonna go ahead and continue to underline over to my arch brow. And then I'm gonna go one more time, underline in the bottom. And I'm gonna go ahead and just brush brows just so it won't be like a harsh line. And I like to brush it upwards. That way it can fade the brow color. Go ahead and do the same thing here. We're gonna go ahead and start the top. Only go halfway, so basically here. And then bring it down to your arch. Connecting the over and the other underline, and then connect it at the end of your brow. As you can see that. So I only like to fill them in where I need it, and it needs to be filled in on this area. And right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take my spoolie brush and then brush them. I'm gonna go in with my LA Pro Concealer. This one is the shade Porcelain. Concealer brush. I mean, it's not mainly concealer. This was actually an eyeliner brush, but I use it to carve my brows because I love this angle right here. It's like a square angle, so it's like easy like to blend the concealer and kind of shape it up. So I really like these types. So if you guys want to find something similar like this, this will definitely be great for your eyebrows. Elf brush, and I had this for quite a while. I do need to clean this up, but yeah, I just go in and apply the concealer. You can like apply it. This is what I do. At the end, I'm gonna clean them up, so that's fine. So this is what I like to do, and just apply that. I'm gonna go ahead and line this up. Oops. I'm gonna bring it downwards to my eyelid, basically. And then here, I like to line it up. I'm gonna line the top as well. My finger, and I'm just gonna blend that in. Look at the difference. Like with concealer, it really makes a huge difference. It cleans up your brows, it makes it more shape, more better looking brows. So I'm just brushing and making sure they're in place. My brows, as you can see, it's like dark here and then it goes really light. That's how I want my brows to be. There you go. That's how you do your brows. So I am done with this brow now. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you one more time on this side. So I try to make it even, you know, but oh well. Remove so much hair just because I have less brow hair on this side. Underline the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and do one more time. And I'm gonna brush them upwards. I'm gonna overline the top. So like I said, I like to go like basically like right here. I want to leave this base like a ombre effect. I just don't want to go too dark on there. And then I'm gonna start from here and then overline the top and connect it with my arch. So now that I created my overline, I'm gonna go ahead and just go in with my spoolie brush and just brush my brows upwards. I'm gonna go ahead and fill the areas where I need it, like right here. It's definitely needs some eyebrow filling here. So I do have like very bald spots in my brows like here, so I'm gonna go ahead and connect that. Applying more product to my brows just because I don't want it to be too dark than the other brow. So like I said, I have less hair on this side, so I'm trying to be careful not to apply too much product. And start with concealer again and apply it on my brows. And then apply it here and then my top. And lining that up. Take my finger and do the same thing, kind of blend my concealer and Gonna go ahead and blend that. Kind of like blend the brows. This is how my brows look like. Off camera, I'm gonna go ahead and do my rest of my makeup, and then I'll apply the Innocence Make Me Brow just to set them in place. So I'll be right back. I am back with my makeup on. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Innocence Make Me Brow. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that on my brows. Just to set them in place. I like to put this like after I'm done with my makeup, or like when I'm done with my eyeshadow, and set my brows with this. And basically I'm only focusing like apply it the halfway to my brow from the middle. I don't like to go like very like up to here. I like to start in the middle and then like to brush them upwards. It's like really nice. I really like that. It stays my eyebrows in place and it's super good. And do the other side and dipping in. Oh, I forgot to mention what shade is this. 02 Brownie Brows. And like I said, I am going like halfway here and then brushing my brows upwards and then going to my end of my arch. There we go. Love using brow mascara just because it set them in place. I sometimes go with like a clear brow gel. I like to use this a lot just because it's not like smearing around or like moving. It's just set your brows in place. And everything that I use in this video are all drugstore products that I use. Yeah, so this is how I do my eyebrows, guys. It's super easy for beginners who are trying to learn how to do the brows. This is how I do it, and this is how I find it really easy to do. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.